Please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get notified when my new video is uploaded. Hi guys, I'm Ashman and welcome to another episode of Exploring the Space with Ashman. So in today's video, we are going to learn about the interior of our sun. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So have you ever wondered what is inside the sun? So if you have, you will get to know the answers to the question in this video. We have already discussed the names of the layers of the sun, which that are the corona, the chromosphere, the photosphere, the convective zone, the radiative zone, and the core. The corona, temperature 5500 degrees Celsius, extent 5 million miles. A corona is an aura of plasma that surrounds the sun and other stars. The sun's corona extends millions of kilometers into outer space and is most easily seen during a total solar eclipse, but it is also observable with a coronagraph. So in this picture, as you can see, this is the actual corona that we cannot see, and it is always visible during an eclipse, a total solar eclipse like this one. And but we can also see the corona by this type of telescope, which is known as the coronagraph. The chromosphere, temperature 5900 degrees Celsius, extent 250 miles. The chromosphere is the second of the two layers in the sun's atmosphere and is roughly 3000 to 5000 km deep. Its rosy red color is only apparent during eclipses. The chromosphere sits just above the photosphere and below the solar transition region. So this is the chromosphere. The photosphere, temperature 6200 degrees Celsius, extent 250 miles. The photosphere is the outermost layer of the sun. It is essentially the solar surface that we see when we look at the sun in white light. So this is the photosphere. Now we'll talk about the occurrences on the photosphere. So first are the solar flares. Solar flares are sudden flashes of increased brightness on the sun, usually observed near its surface and in close proximity to a sunspot group. So these are solar flares. Now we will talk about the solar prominences. Solar prominences are large, bright, gaseous features extending outward from the sun's surface, often in a loop shape. So this is a prominence and it is in a loop shape, and if we compare it to the size of the earth will be this big. Sunspots. Sunspots are strong pockets of magnetism that are cooler than other areas. So actually it is not an occurrence but an area which is a strong pocket of magnetism and is much colder than other areas. And we have also learned about the sunspots in my first video that you can see by clicking on the I button on the top right corner. The convective zone, temperature 2 million degrees Celsius, extent 1.2 million miles. The convective zone of a star is a layer which is unstable to convection. Energy is primarily or partially transported by convection in such a region. So this is the convection zone. The radiative zone. Temperature 4 million degrees Celsius. Extent 4.3 million miles. The radiative zone is a layer of the sun's interior where energy is primarily transported toward the exterior by means of radiative diffusion and thermal conduction. And this part, golden color part, is the radiative zone. The core. Temperature 15 million degrees Celsius. Extent 200,000 miles. The Sun's core is the central region where nuclear reactions consume hydrogen to form helium. These reactions release the energy that ultimately leaves the surface as visible light. So we have also learned about the thermonuclear fusion in the last video. That video you can also watch by clicking on the I button on the top right corner. And in this thermonuclear fusion, two hydrogen molecules combine to create a fusion to create a neutron and a helium. And this fusion is right now going on in the sun's core right here. So this is the whole structure of the sun. This is the corona, the chromosphere, photosphere, the convective, the radiative zones, and the core. And there are some extra terms also like sunspots, prominences, and flares. So thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video to your friends, and please subscribe my channel for more videos by clicking on my channel logo right in front of your screen. And you can watch my last two videos by clicking either to the left or to the right. Thank you.